Hey everybody, I'm Nastymold, and today we're going to be checking out a super cute Easter egg hidden in the Season of Flight new area. Bear in mind, everything ahead will be beta spoilers. We're just going to head into the new area, and I will show you where we can find this little bird. Now I'm going to consider this an Easter egg just because it's pretty hidden. There's a lot of birds in this new area, and this one just acts a little differently. Alrighty, so we're gonna head towards this cave here, but we're not gonna go in, we're gonna keep on the side. And on this pillar we have a little birdie. Oopsies, that's me. You'll see that it's chirping. I think we just have to chirp back, and eventually it'll fly. Oop. Hi bird. So as you can see, this bird is not flying away, it's actually just following me. And it will follow you throughout this entire area. It's just a lot slower than you, so you'll have to wait for it to keep up. Let's go over here, and eventually the bird will follow. I'm probably gonna have to skip ahead. It really does take a while. Here he is! We got someone snoozy behind us. Super cute little birdie. Follow us in here. Hello? Yay! It's so precious. I know a lot of people have been looking for a pet or something that will follow you in the game, so this is a nice temporary substitute. This little birdie will follow you anywhere in this new area. You can even go through the wind paths, like the super fast wind below, and he'll eventually catch up. It'll take a while. Let's go on top of here. And let's see where the birdie is. Ah! Hello? It's pretty hard to spot them too when they're far away. Oh, can you see it? It's gonna very slowly catch up to us and then fly around. Welcome back, bird! I wish if we did this emote it would stand on our hands, but that's a little too expectant of a little tiny free bird. That's pretty much it for this Easter egg. Very small, very cute. Thanks so much as always for watching, you guys. I hope you found this helpful. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye!